Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, because there we will be able to customize this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So first of all, let's enter the settings as I said, and here from this left section we have to tap on the display. It should be on the 4th position. Now let's move to this right section, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort shield, and of course you can turn it on without the customization if you want to, just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, I hope that you can see it, the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So for example, if you will use it at night when you've got dark conditions around you and you do not have any light, then it will be more comfortable for you to look at the screen. It won't be as bright as usual. So as I said, you can leave it like this, or you can customize it if you want to. So let's tap on Eye Comfort Shield, and as you can see we've got two different options. So first of all, we can set the schedule. Let's tap on it, and right now we've got always on, which means that we have to turn on and off the eye comfort manually. But we can set it from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably based on the network, I believe. And we've got also custom, so after tapping on it you will be able to manually pick the start and end time. So for example, let me pick, I don't know, maybe 10 p.m. and the end time at 8. Let's tap on done, and as you can see the screen immediately got back to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the time we set, but let me leave it always on, and under it we've got the color temperature. So thanks to this you can adjust the yellowishness of the screen. So by going to the left you can make it much cooler, and it is, let's say, almost like it is in like the eye comfort is turned off, but you can make it yellow, really yellow, just by going to the right with this switcher. So of course it's up to you which option you like the most, which is the most comfortable for you. I think I will leave it like this. And actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, so if you don't want to get into the settings all the time and every time you want to turn on or off this option, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully and find the Eye Comfort Shield icon, which is right here. So right now it is obviously turned on, but after tapping on it you can simply turn it off, and you can see the difference. The device just got back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.